the ultimate guide to planning your perfect super yacht vacation. Welcome to the All Aboard Life channel. Do you want a holiday aboard an opulent super yacht? Well, there are many factors to take into account while arranging a super yacht holiday. From choosing the ideal superboat to reserving activities and excursions. So don't worry, we're here to assist. We'll give you all the pointers and suggestions you need to create an outstanding trip in this comprehensive guide to organize the ideal super yacht vacation. You'll be well on your way to having the trip of a lifetime, from deciding on a location to locating the ideal super yacht for your requirements. So let's begin! Please subscribe to this channel and like this video if you want to receive future updates from us. Determine your budget. One of the first steps when planning a super yacht vacation is to determine your budget. Super yacht vacations can be expensive, so it's important to know how much you're willing to spend and stick to it. Consider the size of the yacht, the length of the trip, and other factors like food and fuel that will add to your overall costs. Knowing exactly what you're willing to spend before you book your charter will help you find the perfect yacht and avoid any unexpected expenses. Additionally, many companies offer packages that include everything you need for your yacht vacation, so research these options to get the most out of your money. Find the right yacht. When it comes to planning your perfect super yacht vacation, one of the most important decisions you'll have to make is choosing the right yacht. With a wide range of sizes, styles, and amenities, it can be daunting to narrow down your options and pick the perfect vessel. Here are a few tips to help you make the best decision. First, consider how many people will be joining you on your vacation. This will help determine the size of yacht you need and the features you should look for. Do you want something luxurious and spacious, or something smaller and more intimate? Look at photos and compare features to find a yacht that is the right size and style for your group. Next, consider the type of experience you're looking for. Are you wanting something with high-end amenities and modern technology, or do you prefer something more basic? Think about the activities you plan to enjoy during the trip, and make sure the yacht you choose offers all of the necessary amenities and facilities. Finally, be sure to compare pricing between different companies. Although a high price doesn't always guarantee quality, it is important to take costs into account when making your decision. Make sure you're getting a good value for the money you're spending. With these tips in mind, you should be able to find the perfect yacht for your dream vacation. Make sure to do your research and compare all of your options before making your final decision. Choose your itinerary. The best part of planning a super yacht vacation is selecting your perfect itinerary. It's all about what you want to experience and see on your trip. Do you want to explore remote islands, snorkel in secluded coves, or sail to a party destination? There are so many options to choose from, and it's up to you to make the most of your time on board. When it comes to choosing your itinerary, you should consider a few factors. First, decide how much time you have for your trip. This will help determine how far you can go and which islands or ports are most feasible. It's also important to think about the activities that interest you and what kind of sites you'd like to visit. Some popular destinations include the Greek islands, the Caribbean, and the Mediterranean. Once you've narrowed down your choices, you should look at the specific ports and islands you can visit. This can be done through online research and by talking to local travel agents or yacht charter companies. They'll be able to provide more detailed information about each port and island, as well as suggest ideal itineraries based on your interests and budget. Finally, when mapping out your itinerary, remember to leave some free time for spontaneous activities and relaxation. After all, part of the charm of a super yacht vacation is having the freedom to explore new places, enjoy unexpected experiences, and just relax on board your luxurious floating home away from home. Book your charter. When it comes to booking your charter, there are a few different options available. You can either book through an online platform such as Boat Booker or BoatAffair, or you can contact a charter company directly. Online platforms provide a convenient way to browse different charters and compare prices quickly and easily. They also offer helpful reviews and ratings so you can find the best charter for your needs. However, when booking through an online platform, be sure to read all of the terms and conditions before committing. Booking through a charter company is a great option if you're looking for more personalized service and assistance. A representative from the charter company can help you select the perfect yacht, for your needs, and we'll be available throughout your entire vacation to assist with any questions or concerns. When booking with a charter company, ask about their cancellation policies, deposit requirements, and payment plans. No matter which method you choose, make sure you book early to ensure that you get the perfect yacht for your dream vacation. With the right charter and itinerary, you can experience the luxury of super yachting without breaking the bank. Prepare for your trip. No matter how exciting your dream super yacht vacation sounds, it can be daunting to plan. But there are a few steps you can take to make sure that you're ready for the ultimate experience. First and foremost, make sure you got all the necessary paperwork in order. Passport, visas, and any other legal documents required for travel. You should also have copies of your passport, driver's license, and other identifications just in case you lose them while on board. Next, make sure you pack wisely. It can be easy to overpack or forget essential items, so it's important to create a list ahead of time and double check when you start packing. Along with clothing, toiletries, and electronics, don't forget to bring plenty of sunscreen and sunglasses, since you'll be spending much of your time outdoors. Finally, make sure that you're up to date on any vaccinations you might need for travel. Most countries require certain immunizations before entry, so check with your doctor and with the country you're traveling to in order to be fully prepared. With these steps taken care of, you'll be ready for your dream vacation on the super yacht of your dreams. Enjoy your vacation! When your charter arrives, it's time to soak up the sun and indulge in the beauty of your destination. Before you dive in, make sure you've made all necessary arrangements, including meals, activities, and sightseeing. Make sure you plan ahead so that you don't miss out on anything. Once you have all the details taken care of, it's time to relax and enjoy your vacation. Start by lounging on the deck of your super yacht and taking in the stunning view. Spend time swimming and snorkeling in crystal clear waters, or take a boat ride to nearby islands or coves. During your trip, don't forget to take plenty of pictures. Capture the memories of beautiful scenery, exotic wildlife, and unforgettable moments. A super yacht vacation is a great opportunity to get away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and truly relax. At the end of your trip, be sure to thank your crew for their hard work and dedication. They are responsible for ensuring that you have a safe and enjoyable vacation after all. What better way to celebrate a successful trip than with a perfect sunset? So remember to make the most of your super yacht vacation. Enjoy every moment and create lasting memories. That's all for today's video. I hope you liked it. What do you think of our video? Subscribe for more content like this and hit the like button and share. Also, leave a comment if you have a topic you want us to cover. Until next time, take care.